asparagus lovers. Today we are going to be making fried asparagus in the air fryer today. First thing we need to do is trim up our asparagus. Instead of bothering with a knife, since I don't have that many, I'm just going to bend them and they will break to where it needs to be cut off at. What I have going on here is just about a half a cup of flour, 2 beaten eggs, which I added salt and pepper to, some plain breadcrumbs, about just over a half cup, and I'm going to add some finely shredded Parmesan cheese to that. Just a good handful. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. And we want to take our asparagus and go into the flour. Then into the egg. Then right into our breadcrumbs. If you wanted to use the grated Parmesan, you absolutely can do that too. So again, we just want to go into our flour. Then into the egg. Then into our breadcrumbs. I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have the asparagus breaded. I'm just going to go ahead and pop these into the air fryer basket. Okay, now I'm going to spray it a little bit with olive oil. I'm using an Evo oil sprayer. I got this red one off QVC. It actually came with 2. They sold out when I bought these, so I'm not sure if they still have them or if they have more now. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a spray. Okay, let's go pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have this set on 400 degrees. We're going to start off for 10 minutes and we'll go ahead and check it halfway through. We're 5 minutes in. I'm just going to go ahead and take a peek. Bottom's getting brown too, so I'm not going to worry about flipping these over. I don't think these are going to need to go the full 10 minutes. Probably going to let them go for 2 to 3 more minutes. Okay, we are 8 minutes in, and these are looking pretty good. The bottom is also nice and golden brown. I'm going to call these good. I'm going to go ahead and taste one of these. I'm very anxious. Nice and crunchy. I think if I had to do this over again, I would add garlic powder to the breadcrumbs. I love garlic. I don't know why I didn't think of doing that to begin with. Don't get me wrong, it's still good. Okay, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.